Oh no!
Yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Tonight is the start of what will be a very long series in which I'm bringing Max power back. Tonight we have to pick up this car. It's... yeah, just wait and see what happens, but we'll get into it. It's only in Sheffield, it's only half hour drive away from here. I'm off to pick up a car. It's pretty daft, it's pretty funny, it's fucking amazing. I don't even know what to say. It's kind of a mix between absolutely hating this car and actually quite liking it. But yeah, we're now picking up Phil. And then we're off to get this car.
Why do you video it every time you pick me up?
This is what you're doing, you're a YouTuber.
Is it?
That's just a YouTuber thing to do, innit?
Content.
Good. Well, lucky 46 M3. Boosh! Whoa. Bigger mincer than James. You wanker!
Go back his pay.
Paint job's good, innit?
Fucking drifts this morning on side.
Look at it, tinted LEDs. What are you doing, you? Right, trailer's on. Trailer's on. Set off to get the car now. Right, I think it's about half-hour drive. Half-hour drive to go pick up the biggest weapon in the UK car scene. Apart from the MX-5.
It's a genuine GC.
I swear it's got a Mark IV Golf
It's
bumper.
got a bad boy bonnet and everything.
Bad boy bonnet, mate. You have to put your forearm up to reach the latch. It's honestly, it's that far.
20 minutes later.
With a rich YouTuber. Phil's paying for my car. What's going on here? Have you got my money yet? If anyone
Build a successful YouTube channel, spend your mate's money on cars.
You can hold the money, look after it. Trailer's still on, luckily. Right, we're just rolling up through ends. As you can see, boys are at NIABs. All the boys. Yes, boys! Boys, 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 boys! All the boys.
Wow!
All the boys.
Mate, crew was out there.
We're just pulling up now to collect a weapon.
Where is it?
See it. Oh, I'm gonna get this then.
Shut the fuck up. Get out.
Look at that, mate, look at that.
What are the archers?
Oh my god, look at that!
Oh dear.
Can you see it? Look at this car.
There's the steering wheel in there. You want to
Is
try
there?
to wedge
Oh,
it.
you might get to it.
It does open anyway, pal. There's two in the yard. Don't know which one's bare. Which one fits it.
Yeah. Yeah, a bit further. Alright, that'll do. Sweet.
I literally have no words for this thing. Unreal filler cracks. Hashtag made you look. I've only realised that's a Vauxhall badge. It's only just dawned on me that's actually a Vauxhall badge on the bonnet. Faded off. Top drawer rear lights. Chicken wire straight out of Cannonall Farm. What a thing. What the fuck have I bought?
Alright. Alright. Every time I put a strap on somewhere, it catches on the body kit. Absolute nightmare. And I don't want to crack it anymore, it's already cracked. I'll try not to anyway. Do you know what it is?
Don't you dare say it.
A fire car.
Shut the fuck up.
I love the fitment here. My favourite part.
Literally, all body kits just don't fit, do they?
The beast. God, it's so ugly. Look at the front bumper, actually, just look at it. It looks like a fucking Clio V6 on steroids with angry eyes.
Kind of. It does a bit, the white.
I think the front end looks gangster.
You just said it looks shit.
It does look shit, but it looks... Yeah, it's just shit.
Yeah. The back.
So the car's pretty shit. No, I'm joking. Shut up, man, the back's the best bit. I like the chicken wire most.
Can't imagine the spot. Is that just pure filler?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, filler.
What?
No, the car's made of filler.
It's literally a toy car just made bigger by filler.
Yeah. It's awesome. It looks even better from here. It's unreal. So we've just pulled over at Asda to admire the beauty of the beast. It's got like brand new tyres on.
They actually got bare trim on.
They're like brand new. Right, they're off up for 500 quid then.
Seriously.
That chicken wire is honestly exceptional. Like, I like how they've gone from just like extra small to like medium. It's good, that. So obviously you're going to be wondering what engine's it got in it, what's the information on it. Well, I can happily show you the engine now. Vroom, vroom. So obviously we got no engines. So the question is B204 or Isuzu 1.7 diesel.
Tell you what I know. It's fucking shite.
I love it, mate. It's fucking sick. I don't really know why I've bought it. My intentions are to just put it around the back of the unit under a cover, but it's cool, isn't it? Because I'm now a car YouTuber and this is what car YouTubers do, we're going to do the maddest cinematics you've ever seen in your life. I'm going to showcase how good this car is.
Yes, I. MC Smolly, yeah, that's my name. We're gonna go by the flow, gonna play the game, we're gonna roll the dice. Once or twice, pushing and feeling as you got me version the mind. Pretty bad boy, pull up shots so we can dancing down. Yes, I passes the mic, hold on tight. Pretty bad boy, gonna feel alright. It's the MC Smolly, 1, 2, 3. Shout going out to the Presley. Yes, wicked, hopping on the bomb and the kick in the bass. MC Smolly gonna win this race. I'm the best MC to walk on this go. Wanna jump on the mic, I'm 11 years old. MC Smolly, yes, I am the best. If you don't know, I'm from the Northwest. Yes, one, coming on hyper, coming on strong. Presley, bad boys with our guns, we'll blow your liver and blow your lungs. Yeah, wicked. Coming up again, yes, I. B-A-M, we got the baseline. So curiously, don't mess with us. Don't give it out, cause I have a buzz. One bad boy, yeah, gonna do this. I know the evidence, take the piss.
Look at how beautiful it is. Right, we're off back to work now. Off to the unit, drop this pile of shit off.
very close to the edge there.
Eh? Mate, the door didn't open. Just gonna put the Corsa in its new home here.
What? You'll be alright.
Do you like it?
No.
Why not?
Shit.
Just try and get it sideways into this area. There's this little gap.
Jesse eat your heart out.
Go on, keep
That's because I pushed it back there, isn't it?
Parts up. Parts up now. That's where it's staying for a long while till I figure out what I'm doing with it. Right, so that's the Corsa now back at the unit. Got that all parked up and sat there. It'll probably stay there for a bit, to be honest. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing with it, not really sure my plans. I'll probably go through it in another video talking about it, maybe start a bit of work, maybe actually have a look at what we've got. Just very brief, picking up the car, getting it, having a look at what it's about. But yeah, that's about it really. I mean, I'm not really going to go into too much depth. I'm really not that sure. It was just a bit of an abrupt decision really to go and buy the car originally. But I've got the car back, got it there. This is just a little video just to say what's happened. I've got 2 more videos coming for the MX-5 soon. I'm editing this one before. I've been working on that loads this week. So I was trying to say before the camera died, not sure what's happening engine wise and all this, that, the other. I'll probably do another little run around video, and actually when I start work, when I decide what I'm going to do, I'll give you the information. But for now it's going to sit on the back and probably just forget that I own it for a bit. Something will come, it'll happen eventually. Probably end up being quite cool, probably end up doing a load of videos on it. But not really doing anything for now. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope you're excited as I am to see what happens to this car. Could end up being quite cool. I've got a few cool parts laying around what I could use for it. I don't think it's going to take much money. There's going to be a lot of bodging and a lot of DIY stuff to get it sorted. But there'll be plenty more videos to come for this, and a lot more explaining the plans and looking into it. I've barely even looked at the car, I haven't even discovered anything. So once I actually get round to that, I'm making a video on it. So I'll see you in the next one.